Artificial intelligence has been the main driver of disrupting the current technological world. While applications like machine learning, neural network, deep learning have already earned huge recognition with their wide-ranging applications and use cases, AI is still in a nascent stage. It means new changes occur in this discipline, which soon transforms the AI industry and results in enhanced circumstances. Some of the AI emerging technologies are currently becoming awkward by the next 10 years, and others may clear the way for better versions of themselves. Some of the enhanced AI emerging technologies for future generations are generative artificial intelligence. Recent advancements in AI have allowed many companies to develop algorithms and tools to generate artificial images in 2D and 3D automatically. These algorithms essentially form generating AI that enables machines that use resources such as text, audio files, and images to create scripts. The MIT Technology Review describes generative artificial intelligence as one of the most promising advancements in the universe of AI over a period. It is poised for the future generation of apps in auto-programming, content development, visual arts, and other creative, design, and engineering activities. It also provides better customer service, facilitates and fastens check-in, enables performance monitoring, seamless connectivity, quality control, helps in finding new networking opportunities. It also helps in film preservations and colorizations. Generative AI also helps healthcare by rendering prosthetic limbs, organic molecules, and other items from the beginning when operated through 3D printing, CRISPR, clustered regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats, and few other applications. It also enables early identification of potential malignancy to more effective treatment plans. In diabetic retinopathy, generative AI offers a pattern-based hypothesis and can also construe the scan and generate content, informing the physician's next steps. Even IBM uses this technology to research antimicrobial peptide (AMP) to detect drugs for COVID-19 viruses. Generative artificial intelligence is leveraging neural networking that exploits generative adversarial networking (GAN). GANs share the same functionalities and applications like generative artificial intelligence, but it is also notorious for misuse to create deepfakes for cyber crimes. GANs are also used in research areas to project astronomical simulations, interpret large data sets, and much more. Federated learning and artificial intelligence. Federated learning from communication. Efficient learning of deep networks from decentralized data is defined as a learning technique that allows users to collectively reap the benefits of shared models trained from rich data without storing it centrally. In more superficial technical jargon, this distributes the machine learning process to all the corners. Data is an essential key that tracks machine learning models. This process involves setting up servers at points where models are trained on data via a cloud computing platform. Federated learning and artificial intelligence brings these models to the data source, or edge nodes, rather than bringing the model's data. It then links together through multiple computational devices into a decentralized system that allows the individual devices that collect data to assist in training the model. It also enables devices to collaboratively learn a shared prediction model while keeping all the training data on the individual device itself. It primarily cuts the necessity to move large amounts of data to a central server for training purposes. Thus, it addresses our data privacy woes. Federated learning is used to improve Siri voice recognition systems. Google initially employed this federated learning to augment word recommendation in Google's Android keyboard without uploading the user's text data to the cloud. When Gboard suggests a query, our mobile locally stores information about the current reference to context and whether it's clicking the suggestions. Federated learning processes history on device to suggest improvements to Gboard's query suggestion model's next iteration. Medical organizations are unable to share data due to privacy restrictions. Federated learning addresses this decentralization by removing the need for data pooling into one location and training multiple repetitions from various websites. Artificial neural network compressions. Artificial intelligence made rapid progressions in analyzing big data by leveraging deep neural network (DNN). However, any neural network's key disadvantage is computational and memory intensive, making it complex to execute on embedded systems with reduced hardware and software applications. Furthermore, with the increasing size of the DNN for carrying complex computation, the storage needs are also rising. To address these issues, researchers have come with an AI technique called neural network compression. Generally, the neural network contains far more weights, represented at a higher precision than required for the specific task or trained to perform. If we wish to bring real-time intelligence or boost edge applications, neural network models must be smaller. For compressing the models, researchers rely on the following methods: parameter pruning and sharing, quantization, low-rank factorization, transferred or compact convolutional filters, knowledge distillation. Pruning identifies and removes unnecessary weights or connections, or parameters, leaving the network with important ones. Quantization compresses the model by reducing the number of bits that represent each connection. Low-rank factorization leverages matrix decomposition to estimate the informative parameters of the DNNs. Compact convolutions filters help filter unnecessary weight or parameter space and retain the important ones required to carry out convolution, saving the storage space. Knowledge distillation aids in training a more compact neural network to mimic a more extensive network's output. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.